Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. In front of me Samsung SmartTag 2, and now I'm going to show you how to factory reset it and how to hard reset it. As you can see, I use my Samsung Galaxy SmartTag with non-Galaxy device, that it's not possible normal way, but it's possible if you watch my video about it. So check link in the description below. So how to factory reset it? So basically you should open SmartHome, then click on your Galaxy SmartTag 2, open it. As you can see, this is this AirTag. So if you wanna factory reset it, just click on the right top corner on the three dots button, click remove device and remove, or you can do it in a bit different way. You can do it physically, but firstly let's remove it normally from the application. So just click remove device, and now it was removed from the Samsung Find My system. Cool. You hear this sound when it's disconnected from your smartphone and ready to connect with new smartphone if you want to resell it, for example. Okay, but what the second method, physical one, right? So you don't need to do that if you can do it with your application. But if you don't have access to your application or because of some different problems, you can do it physically. You should have a simple SIM card ejection tool, and here inside the keychain you have the tiny hole. Then you should just insert this ejection tool inside and push it. As you can see, it will open the battery spot. But what we need to do here, we should now insert this battery spot, but not for all the way inside, but only for a bit. You have to leave this rubber outside. Then press and hold the button, because your Galaxy SmartTag has button here inside. So press and hold it. You should hold it for about 30 seconds, okay? So press and hold, then insert it and still hold. Insert the battery and still hold. You will hear first beep, then hold it. You'll hear second beep, third beep, and this third was the factory reset sound. Now you can release the button, then eject the battery again, insert the battery, and now it's like the brand new. So hope you found this video helpful. Please consider to leave me a like and a comment below. If you want to know how to connect it to other Android device, just check my channel. Bye, see you.